The marine environment doubles the size of Wales, and it is hugely important for us all. We use it for work. 60% of people in Wales live and work at the coast, and rely on the coast and the sea for their jobs. We use the sea and the coast for lots of different leisure activities, and it helps our well-being. It is a source of energy. We are all connected to the sea, and it is connected to us. The Earth has one big ocean with many features. The ocean's currents are a major influencer on weather and climate. The ocean makes 50% of the oxygen we need, absorbs 25% of all carbon dioxide emissions, and 90% of the excess heat from these emissions. The ocean and life in the ocean shape the features of the Earth. This is a constant geological process that has been happening since the dawn of time. The ocean supports a great diversity of life and ecosystems. It is largely unexplored, and we are still discovering new species, even around Wales. We have one ocean to look after. Together, we can all make a difference to help secure its future for generations to come. The Wales Coasts and Seas Partnership brings together organisations and institutions from across Wales. We want to improve outcomes for the sea in Wales, such as reduced pollution and litter, greater involvement of local communities in decision-making, improved health and well-being of communities through safe access to our coasts and seas, improved knowledge and access to marine careers in Wales. All of these require individuals, communities and businesses to understand their influence and impact upon coasts and seas so that we care enough to act. Find out how you or your business or organisation can get involved.